Foshan Nanhai Zhitu Furniture Factory, established in 2013, which is an experienced independent research and development production, sale integrative manufacturer, which located in Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access. We have a 3,400 square meter, which include 2 production lines with 30 staff members who can finish 25 to 30 containers per month. Faster production time, quick delivery, and responsibility after service is our advantage. We engaged in develop, produce, and export for kitchen cabinets, bedroom set furnitures, chest drawers, dressing tables, wash basin, and etc. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure whole customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ATS product test report, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also as main exported to clients in such countries and regions as South Africa, Zambia, Ghana, Maldives, Uruguay, Romania, Australia, Cambodia, Myanmar, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, our experienced team can help you to make it as possible with high efficient. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, we sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term equality and mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your enquiries soon.